Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, what is up? My name is vianney.strick. Thank you so much for being here. So today I wanted to do another little chill get ready with me. I am currently in Germany and I wanted to kind of just do a get ready with me. I'm getting ready for the day. We're going to a little barbecue, and I figured I could tell you guys about my trip, how it's going, why I'm here, and kind of just chill. And I wanted to film, you know, I'm here for 12 days and I never go that long without filming, so I figured we could just get ready together. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to join my squad. And if you want to get ready with me in Germany, then please just keep on watching. Wyatt is currently taking a shower, so I'm hoping that he takes a long time so I can do this video. But by the way, I do have a tour of our little cute small town condo, and I'm gonna put it at the end of this clip. I took it a couple days ago because we obviously destroyed it already. But anyways, I'm gonna go in with the, this is so bougie and unnecessary, but I'm gonna go in with the Grwm Lore primer. This is a very pricey primer, but I got it in PR like the day before I came, so I figured I would try it out while I was on this trip, and I really like it. Like I said, it's very bougie, but I like it because it's very like liquidy. It has the gold flexes or whatever. I really don't care about that, just letting you guys know, but it's really like really watery at first, and then when you rub it out and it starts drying, it gets like so tacky. So Germany, I am here. We have been here for about 6 days now, and I will be here for another 6. And the reason why I'm here is because my stepdad, who's pretty much like my dad, he's full German, and we are here because we are visiting his family. I've been here before. I came here 3 years ago. Shape tape all over my face, which is kind of funny because last time I was here, which was 3 years ago, was actually the European trip where I met Wyatt. So if you haven't seen the boyfriend tag, go watch that, because that's a trip that we were talking about. And now it's been 3 years and I'm back in Germany, but I'm back with Wyatt as my boyfriend, which I think is really cute. I am vlogging the whole thing, so I will have that up for you guys after this video. But I figured I could tell you guys about my, you know, my trip and everything like that. So the flight over here, we flew into Frankfurt, and the flight over here was, I mean, it was almost 10 hours long, which is obviously expected, but oh my god, me and Wyatt and my stepsister were sitting in front of these people that kept just like kicking our seats and being rude and like putting their feet up, so like their feet would be like next to Wyatt's arms, and we were literally like, oh my god, these kids are so annoying. And then we look back and they were like grown adults, and usually if people are being annoying in an airplane, it doesn't get to me as much, but this is a 10-hour flight, like in the middle of the night. Like don't come at me, like come on. But anyways, we arrived to Frankfurt, and it's a lot of us. It's me, my boyfriend, my parents, my brother, his girlfriend, and my sister. So it's a lot of us. So we ended up renting like a huge van. And if you've been to Europe in general, you can't really park anywhere with a huge van, so it's been kind of a struggle. If you are from Germany, you might know exactly what I'm talking about, and if you're not from Germany, you probably won't, because these are really small towns. Like, I'm doing what locals here do because there's a lot of family here. I'm not really being as touristy as other people would. Fit me. So we went to Frankfurt, and we went to oh god, I have the worst accents, but Würzburg, Würzburg, and we did that because we have some family there. So we were there for 2 days. Again, all of this you will see in the vlog, but it was a lot of fun. We went to like a wine fest. We visited with family. Really anything that I've been doing with family, I'm not vlogging. A, because you guys probably just don't even care, and B, so I can actually be in the moment and like hang out with them. But we obviously are sightseeing and stuff like that, so I'm definitely vlogging that. So after those 2 days, we came to Grwm, which is where I am now, which is where all the family is, which is where my dad's from. So yesterday was really fun. We went to Aachen, which is actually where my dad went to college for engineering. And it was the coolest town because it's like a college town, but it's like a German college town, so it's like really freaking cute. It literally looked like Hogwarts. Like, I'm sorry, I love Harry Potter, and it looked like Hogwarts. Like, I couldn't, like, I can't believe that he went to college there. Like, oh my god, I would die if I went to college there. It has the most bars per capita in Germany. Imagine going to college in that place. And also has the oldest bar in Germany. So we went to go get some beers at that bar, and that was really fun. We are really close to the Netherlands, like so close. We're going on a bike ride tomorrow to the Netherlands. It's like a 30-minute bike ride, and we did that last year too, and it's really fun. You go through all these fields. By the way, if you haven't followed me on Instagram, you missed out, definitely, but you should definitely follow me on Instagram because I'm very active, like on my Instagram stories. So I definitely posted a lot from Germany there. We are going to Amsterdam on Monday, and again, I've been there before. I've been to these places before just because I've been to Germany before, but my boyfriend and my brother's girlfriend haven't, so it's really exciting. I mean, it's exciting to go anyways, but it's also exciting when you're with someone who hasn't been. Amsterdam is so cool. It's such a cool town, and also we are staying at a hotel that we found online that supposedly is like really cool. It's kind of like super edgy, not super fancy, just like super hip. By the way, these are my eyebrows fully healed. If you haven't seen that video, I did get my eyebrows microbladed, and I still need to go back for a touch-up, but I showed you guys like everything, like the whole process. And these are fully healed right now. They're very like, they're very faint, but for me, I love them because I have a shape anyways. And look at this eyebrow brush that I'm using. This is the Carity Brow Goals 3-in-1, and it has a little brush, but it also has a pencil, and the pencil's kind of like the ABH definer. It's kind of like a thicker one, and in the middle of it, it has like a little sponge tip applicator that has like powder to set them. So I actually posted last night that real AF get ready with me, and I just wanted to tell you guys that I woke up to such sweet comments. I've never like posted a video like that before on my channel. It's like super chill, which also made me comfortable filming this video for you guys, because I know it's, you know, it's not a huge production, but I definitely want to be able to film videos like these with you guys, just because I feel like we're friends. You don't need all the lights all the time, you know? So anyways, I just want to say thank you for such a good response. That was definitely a video that was a little ballsy to make. I don't know, I've never really talked so much about personal things like that on my channel. So thank you guys so much for all the good response. You guys are seriously the best, and I just love it. I'm gonna do this eyebrow off camera because I don't want to be talking too much, and I'll be right back. By the time you see this video, I will already be back home like filming again, but as of now, obviously I'm in Germany, so I haven't been able to respond to comments at all, which I know is like very unlike me. I like to go in with all my comments, but I can't wait to get home and not be MIA anymore. So I'm sorry if I didn't respond to any recent comments that you did in the video. It's nothing personal. I've just been out of the country. By the way, also, I just posted my giveaway, my international giveaway. So if you haven't checked it out, definitely do that. It's a giveaway that we are both putting prizes in. Originally I was gonna do a giveaway like by myself because of my 1 year, but she messaged me and she was like, let's do it together. That way it's like more entries but double the price, and it's really easy to enter. You don't have to follow us on social media or anything like that. All you have to do is like subscribe to our channel, like the video, and you will win both prizes, which I think is so crazy. It's like such a good giveaway, and it's gotten a really good response. So it is open like all of July, so if you haven't done that already, definitely go and oh my god, look at all my makeup. I was literally sitting it right here. Wyatt just came in here. He's like, are you okay? What happened? He has no idea that I'm even filming a video, so he probably thinks I'm just talking to myself. Sorry. Yo quiero dinero. That song's stuck in my head. Yo quiero dinero. Okay, now I'm gonna put on this highlighter and I'm gonna show you guys how amazing and blinding. Like, what? What? Like, can we just talk about this freaking highlighter? Oh my god. I'm also gonna put some under my brow. This highlighter is literally under $5 and it's amazing. It's perfect. So I'm gonna go with the CoverGirl Lock Up Setting Mist. Okay, we're gonna go have breakfast with my parents. We're actually staying in 2 condos, but they're like right next to each other. You guys will see that in the little tour that I'm about to give you guys. So it's me, my brother, and my boyfriend and his girlfriend here, and then my sister and my parents in the other one. So we're gonna meet up for breakfast. And yeah, I know this video was like super chill and laid back. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoy the tour coming up after this. And anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. By the way, this is really random, but I just wanted to show you guys the van that I was talking about. This, like, that's a normal car. And this is a van that we've been driving around in these little cobblestone streets. So, just to give you guys an idea. This is what our little place looks like. They're little condos. My parents are staying on that one. And me and Wyatt, my brother, and Bridget are staying on this one. And it's really small, really cute. I'll give you guys a little tour. This is our living room and our stereo system. And then my brother's room is up there. And my room and Wyatt's is up here. Here's our little kitchen. Sorry, this place is already messy because we came in here already. And here's a little kitchen. And look, this is really cute. The fridge literally like looks like a cabinet, doesn't it? But it's a fridge. So yeah, it's a really like a little tiny cute little German place. And then we go up these stairs, and Wyatt's in the shower right now, so I can't show you the bathroom. But by the way, look at these little light switches. And here's our room, which we already messed up, so sorry about that. We got here kind of late yesterday. Here's a little, I don't know, like our little dresser. And then our view is the cutest thing. We're literally outside like a, I think it's a cornfield, and you know, the fresh air just feels good. So yeah, that was my little tour.